Hey guys, I'm Alicia, and today we're making fun, fashionable focal piece charms. So I have a lot of pets and I like to make things for them like jewelry, charms, collars, and I thought why not make some charms that you can wear yourself as a necklace or put it on your purse as a little charm. You can do a keychain, just all kinds of different ways that you can use charms. The tools that you're going to need for this project is your large Weber. It's a bell making plier, but we're going to use it to make split rings. You're going to need your cutter to cut your wire. You're going to need your 16 gauge wire to make your split ring. And then if you have a top drilled stone, you're going to need some wire so that you can make a bell for your stone. If you don't have a top drilled wire, then just use a head pin. And then you're going to need a large lobster claw clasp to interchange it if you want to make a necklace, if you want to make a keychain, a dog charm, or a purse charm. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make a split ring out of the 16 gauge wire. And all you're going to do is take your wire and take your large bell making Weber, and we're going to use the largest bell on there. And you're just going to take that and we're just going to roll it about 3 times. It's kind of like this exact same thing as you do when you make a jump ring, but we're not going to cut it like a jump ring. So you're going to come in here, let me cut this piece off, and we're going to cut a piece right here, and then on the other side we're going to come over and cut this piece right here. So now you have a split ring. So it's going around almost twice, so that when you put your pendant on there and your dog decides to pull, it's not going to pull apart. Because if you just did, a jump ring, I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you just did a jump ring, and that dog starts to pull, those 2 pieces right there are going to just pull apart. So that's what you don't want. And this is what a split ring is. It's not going to pull apart like that. So it's the difference between jump ring and a split ring. Okay, so now that you have your split ring made, then whatever stone you choose, either it has a hole in it, doesn't have a hole in it, whatever. This one is a top drilled hole. So I'm going to take 24 gauge wire and I'm going to cut off a little piece of that. And top drilled means that it's the hole is drilled from one side to the other on the top. So I'm going to put that wire through that stone. And if you don't know how to do a top drilled wire, this is the way I do it. So I'm going to take that wire and I'm going to push it up to the top, making a little TP on the top, and then I'm going to take that, and you can hold it if you want to with a chain nose plier, but I'm just doing it with my fingernails. And I'm just going to twist it around a couple of times, and then I'm going to take that tail and just come back underneath and do a little wrap around so it gives it some more strength. And then I'm going to cut that little tail off right here, and now you have this to make your little bail. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to take this Weber and I'm just going to bring it around and come back underneath. So you're making a little loop right here. And then I'm just going to wrap that back around. And you can make it messy if you want to just add some character to it. Now you've got this little bell on there. And just cut your little tail off. And then now what you'll do is take that split ring, kind of open it up a little bit, and add your lobster claw clasp. Now that's on there. And then you're going to go back and add your stone that you just made. Make sure that you get it on both of those pieces. And now you have a cute little charm that if you wanted to go over here and add it to a necklace, you could. You've got a cute little charm there, or if you want to make it to go on your purse, you could come over here, just like this one is. So now that you have all of these little interchangeable charms, you can wear them for yourself, you can wear them on your purse, you can make keychains, you can decorate your dog with it, your cat, your hamster, whatever. You can make anything for your animals. Great gift for Christmas, birthdays, or housewarming gifts. Just always have them on hand so that you can just be like, oh, here, have a good day. Let's go over the tools and supplies you're gonna need for this charm one more time. You're gonna need your 16 gauge wire. You're gonna need a cutter. You're gonna need your large bell making plier, your wubber. You're gonna need 24 gauge wire or head pins, whatever you choose. Just depends on what stone you use. And then obviously you wanna pick out some fun stones so that you can have some really cool charms. If you like any of the supplies I used today, check out the links below. What stones would you use for your charms? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And now that you know how to make charms for your purse, necklaces, and pets, you can say, I made this.